So hi guys, today Red is going to show us what he have learned about Rubik's Cube. He's going to try to solve this. This is the day 1 of Red trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so go! So he's been watching YouTube tutorials for quite some time. And yesterday, he tried memorizing the patterns, and also today. So now he's going to show us if he already knows if he can solve that Rubik's Cube. Let's see how fast he can do it. Come on. Timer's running. Come on. So first, are you going to try to solve the white
cross?
A white cross? Show us. Where's the white cross?
Yeah.
Okay. It's already done. What's next?
The first corner, I think.
Okay. Do it. Come on. Faster, faster. Timer's running.
I got it wrong.
Come on. We bought that Rubik's Cube last April on his birthday as a birthday present. But he only learned it now, July, because it's vacation. So he has nothing to do. So he has more time solving that Rubik's Cube. Okay, what's next?
The second layer.
It's already 3 minutes. Let's see how fast Jared can solve that Rubik's Cube for the first day 1 of him learning. He's been trying to solve that for quite some time, but he can't figure it out. But now let's see if he can solve that puzzle completely. Come on, timer's running. It's been 4 minutes. Oh. Oh, almost near. Wow. So Don't cheat. Oh, the white is done. Okay. Almost near. Hmm. Come on. It's more than 5 minutes already. Wow. Wow.
Done.
Wow. It's 5 minutes and I guess 30 seconds. Wow. So nice. You already run it for the day one.